Hello, everyone. The information and analytical service is in touch System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general data about the company. Let's look at each indicator in more detail a little further. If you're interested, you can pause the video. You can study all the parameters of the organization in question more closely. Now we will compare the main fundamental indicators of the company. Supernus Pharmaceuticals, ticker SUPN. This review is based on current information as of July 5, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Supernus Pharmaceuticals Inc. belongs to the subcategory Neuro. 63 companies take part in the analysis. We will see the decisions on the orders by the end of the video. Company score, 9.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1 point. If you look at it very broadly, within the entire US market in general, you can see that the average rating for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points, against a 9.5 rating for the company Supernus Pharmaceuticals. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Supernus Pharmaceuticals, and subcategory shares, we will see that over the last 12 months, the company's shares, Supernus Pharmaceuticals Inc. showed a dynamics of 20.5%. Against price changes in the subcategory 3,788.7%. Market capitalization of the organization Supernus Pharmaceuticals Inc. amounts to $1.79 billion. With a market capitalization of $76 billion, the subcategory is. The company's book value is estimated at $1.03 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $30 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Shares Supernus Pharmaceuticals in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 2.351%. Book value capitalization is 3.404%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debts of $0.031 billion. Debt to book capitalization represents 3% of capital. The company's debt level rating, very good, 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 28.9, with an average for the subcategory of 0. Evaluation of the company's market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $62 million. Profits for the next 12 months are projected to be $132 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 2.7. The average in the subcategory is 4.8. Assessment of market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $670 million. The projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $1,020 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 9.3%, with the average for the subcategory being minus 16.8%. Sales profitability assessment in comparison with the performance of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in the number of employees in the subcategory is 4.194%. which is 78% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is $2,657,000. And in the subcategory, there are $4,739,000. Assessment of the volume of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit per employee is $91.8 thousand, with an average in the subcategory, minus $165.1 thousand. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee are $991,000. In the subcategory, there are $981,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The volume of sales transactions corresponds to 7.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 6.4%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 49% for the company Supernus Pharmaceuticals, whereas in the subcategory this level is 56%. The company's current stock price is approximately $31.97. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $38.99. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the Stock Evaluation Information and Reference System, GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's share valuation results, Supernus Pharmaceuticals Inc. Information and Reference System for Stock Evaluation GURU.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy order at $31.98 per share. The order is open because the company has a relatively high valuation. The organization's assessment is based on the assessment method, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 38.36. Stop loss is set at 25.6. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically based on the results of the session on August 4, 2025. Or on the last trading day before this date. Ticker, AXSM, will become a balancing order to sell. The video on the balancing order will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the main or balancing, the opposite order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.